Have you come across those videos promising thousands of dollars with Google search? I am sure everyone can agree that it sounds too good to be true, right? So in today's video, I am going to show you a genuine and effective method for you to leverage Google search and start making extra money from it. My name is Rookie Rich, and these are the video chapters to guide you on today's video. And if you stick with me to the end of this video, I promise you a secret tip for you to make money faster and easier, and of course it's going to be passive. So let's dive in. First thing I want you to know is that Google search is the most powerful tool on planet Earth currently. I mean, it's ranking #1 when it comes to people using it. Research shows that 89% of people on Earth use Google search whenever their data is on. That is how powerful Google search can be. We have people coming online searching for stuff like news, sports, entertainment, celebrity gossip, and so on. So we humans realize that Google search can be used as a source of income, and we can find ways to optimize this to our own advantage. I mean, you can make your first $100, your first $200 just by using Google search. For those of you that don't know, if you go to Google search and search for all this niche of your choice, probably entertainment, sports, and all of that, all these websites that pop up, they are built by normal people like you and I. Now, to build a successful website that will rank on Google search and you'll be able to make your first dollar and money from it, I want you to put these 3 things into consideration. Number 1, what exactly is your niche? What is your area of specialization? What do people know you for? Because you don't want to build a website that is too confusing, that whenever people click on your website, they will not even know what to find on your website. In other words, you have to be specific about your niche and about the topic that your website is going to entail. What this website does is help people make money online and offline. When you click on it, the first few seconds, you already know what they are talking about on this website, which is actually teaching people to make money. So let's say, for example, your website is about celebrity gossip. Let it be about celebrity gossip. So I want you to know that there are 2 things that you need when it comes to you building an active website and getting it up there running, which is your host and your domain. See, for every website that is out there, there's actually an host for it, which means that the composure of the website, the coding, and the images, what the website actually entails, it has to be hosted somewhere, and your domain is your name. For example, rookierich.com, that is your domain. So if you have those 2 things, then your website is actually good to go. And for you to build a website up and running, one of the best hosting platforms out there that I will recommend is Hostinger AI Website Builder. With Hostinger AI Website Builder, you'll be able to build your website manually, and you'll be able to automate the process in case you don't want to do it yourself, or in case you are a complete beginner. So I have a detailed video about how you can use Hostinger AI Website Builder to build a website. I'll drop the link in the description below. So make sure that you check out the tutorial on how to build a website using Hostinger AI Website Builder. One thing I want you to have in mind is that you have to have a brand name and you have to have a niche. Even if AI wants to build a website for you, at least you have to know what you want to talk about. So you just have to know your niche first before proceeding to build a website. So now that you know what you want to specialize on, the next step is, how do you monetize your website? There are 3 different ways that you want to monetize your website. The first one is through Google AdSense. When you want to watch a video on YouTube, the first thing you see is an ad, then you skip it, right? When you watch those ads, the owner of the video is actually earning real money in their account. So when you have a website, so Google is going to place their ads on your website. And the second way for you to make money through Google search, which is through your website, is by selling your own digital products. Physical products, you have to produce this one, produce that one to 100 people that you want to sell for, right? But now that is digital products, it's just one. If I just one digital product that you want to sell, ebook or whatever that you want to sell, you'll be able to sell that product to multiple people. You don't have to sell one and that one won't come back to you. It's always there. You just have to sell to multiple people and make your profit from it. And the third way to make money through your website is through affiliating. which is you placing your affiliate link in front of people that came on the internet to search for that particular topic, that particular product, and when they purchase the product from you through your affiliate link, then you are going to make money 40%, 50%, even 60% from your affiliate link. In case you don't want to sell your own digital products on your website, then you are going to serve as the intermediate between the consumer and the owner of the product. So when you actually place someone's product on your website and the person actually purchase that product from your website through your affiliate link, you are going to make huge commission from it. The reason why affiliate is good is that you don't have to deal with the shipment of the product if that is the physical product. You don't have to deal with customer service. You don't have to brainstorm about the products. You just have to be the intermediate, the middleman between the owner of the product and the consumer. To me, like, this is a cool way for you to monetize your website and make money from it. And I have three best affiliate companies, three best legit affiliate companies that you can use. The first one is Partner Stack, the second one is Clickbank, and the third one is Seller. Currently I use Seller and it is actually easy to navigate. So yeah, when you have a cocoa farm business, you want to buy a piece of the farm for a period of time. You want to nurture it. You want to invest your time, your strategy, and your money into it so that the cocoa will germinate and it will actually bring out profits, right? If anyone here is familiar with cocoa business, you know that it takes a while for it to germinate. But when it germinates and when you have your hands on it, it's going to bring you profit. And when I mean profit, it's going to bring you profit. That is how this business is actually is. It's not as if you are producing a clothes that you're just going to sell one time and it is sold out. It is never getting sold out. Having a website is there forever. It is never getting sold out. But you can as well sell your website in the future if you want to sell your website. But if you don't want to sell it, it's not just going to disappear from the internet. It's going to be there forever. You are going to be able to make money passively from it. So I mentioned that you have to invest three things into it, right? Which is your time, your strategy, and your money. And when it comes to the aspect of your time, you have to show up. Don't just want to build a website and just leave it. You have to show up. You have to be consistent. And when it comes to the second aspect, which is strategy, there are some things that you need to put into order for your website to rank, in order for Google search to know that your website even exists. Because if you think that you just build a website and it's just like that, there are some things that you need to put into consideration, which is search engine optimization. SEO is you getting the right keywords, getting the right structure for your website. There's a giveaway tip that I want to tell you guys that I have not seen many people talk about on the internet, which is how you can rank on the internet. For example, let me say I go on the internet and I search for how to gain weight. How to gain weight, right? And you are talking about how to gain weight on your website. For Google to recognize your website and let your website be out there whenever I search for how to gain weight, you have to add your website registered under Google Search Console. Yeah. Another giveaway tip I want to give you guys when it comes to strategy that you can use to get a successful website and make your first $100, your first $100 a day just by having a website is that you have to make use of other trendy platforms to direct traffic to your website. For example, Facebook is currently trendy, right? Instagram is trendy, YouTube is trendy, Twitter is trending. So if you can make use of these four platforms, direct people from those platforms to your website, they're actually on your website for free. You are giving them value for free and you are making money from it. Like, it's a win-win, right? So yeah, I wish you good luck. If you make it to this part of the video, I have 3 secret tips that I want to tell you guys that anybody that wants to have a successful business is going to need. The first one is P, which stands for passion. Whatever it is you want to do, whatever business it is that you want to do, you have to be passionate about it. Because there are some obstacles that you have to face when you are running a business, and if you don't have passion for it, you're just going to give up. Majority of people start different things, but halfway they give up, probably because they don't have passion for it. Yeah, so you have to have passion for it, because it's this thing comes naturally. If you are facing an obstacle or if the business is not moving like you want, the thing will just come to you like a solution. If you have passion for it, it will come to you naturally like a solution. So you have to have passion for whatever niche that you want to choose from. And the second one is P again, which is profits. We humans, we have passion for different things. Out of all those things that you are passionate about, you want to choose one that will give you profits. Okay, because you cannot just be giving people valuable information and not expect something in return. Life is give and take. And the third one is C, which is consistency. You see, like I said earlier, people give up halfway because they are not consistent. You have to show up. You have something that you are doing, you have to show up for it. Don't just feel too lazy or don't just give up halfway. You have to be consistent in anything that you are doing. Especially this, you have to be consistent. And trust me, when the return starts coming back to you, it will come back to you in a passive way. And as long as you are consistent and you have passion for it, trust me, you'll be good. And let me tell you guys something. There's a saying that says the best thing in life don't come the easy way, but when it comes, it's come in full force. So that brings us right into the end of this video, guys. I hope that you gain a value or two from this video, and don't forget to leave a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you have not subscribed to my channel. You are going to get lots of valuable tips like this, and share this video to anyone that will gain value from it. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.